Hello students, this is Yogendra sir and today we are starting new topic trigonometry. So we learn basic of trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is word taken from Greek language which means measure of three sides. But it only works on right angle triangle. You know that what is right angle triangle? A triangle having an angle of 90 degree is called right angle. So we have this triangle. You can name it ABC. And if we have this angle, and measure of this angle is theta, we are taking a theta. For this theta, the side opposite to this angle is called perpendicular. This is perpendicular and this side is base and its hypotenuse. It's perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. This side is always hypotenuse, this is base and this is perpendicular. But if I am taking this angle A, in this case, this triangle will convert like this. So angle A will be here, this is B and this is your C. In this case, that side opposite to angle A means BC, this will be perpendicular and this will be our base and this hypotenuse is always same along the side of this triangle, that is our hypotenuse. There are some ratios in this topic: sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, and the values of this sin theta value is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, value of cos theta that is base upon hypotenuse, and value of tan theta is perpendicular upon base. And opposite of the sin theta is cosec theta. It's cosec. So value of cosec will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and opposite of this cos theta is sec theta. So value of sec theta is hypotenuse upon base, and when opposite of tan theta is cot theta. So cot theta equals base upon perpendicular. So the easier way to learn this formula, very easy. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. Sona Chandi Tol. So you can use your sin, S for sin, C for cos and T for tan, and P for Pandit, that is perpendicular, B for Badri, base, and Prasad is P, that is perpendicular. Hari Hari Bol, Hari means for H for hypotenuse, there again H for hypotenuse, and base B for bol, B for base. So this is our concept for this quantity: sin, cosec, cos, sec and tan, cot. Using these terms, we can find if we have given any angle and one side, we can find other side. For example, if I have this angle and measure is 60 degree and the side is given me 40 meter and we want to find this base. So here is perpendicular given, here is base, you have to find base. So perpendicular base which comes in tan theta. So we will use here tan theta. How we will use? Let's check it. If we have given this triangle, this right angle triangle, and measure its sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm. So we have all three sides, name it A, B, C. So for angle C, we can write here sin C. Value of sin C will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So in this figure you can see easily perpendicular for this angle C is 5 and hypotenuse is 13. So answer is 5 upon 13. If we are talking about cos A means I am talking about this angle A. So for this angle A, perpendicular cos theta is based upon hypotenuse. So for angle A, the base is this side AB and hypotenuse will be AC. So answer will be again 5 upon 13. But first time it was value of sin C and this time value of cos A. So value change with their angles. Clear? And you know that if we have only two values, and so we can find third value by Pythagoras theorem, which is x square equals p square plus b square. Using this formula we can find one value. If we have given perpendicular base, we can find hypotenuse. If we have given hypotenuse and perpendicular, we can find base also. Now, the next thing, if we have given one value and one angle, how to find it? But first we have to draw a chart of the angles with their values. So, right here, theta, there is sine, cos, tan, opposite of sine that is cosec, and opposite of cos that is sec, and opposite of tan is cot. Now the value of theta is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. How to learn this chart? It's very easy. The value of sine 0 is 0 and value of sine 90 is 1. It's very easy. Now you have to learn only three values. Value of sine 30 is 1 upon 2, value of sine 40 is 1 upon root 2 and value of sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Now write these values from opposite sides for cos theta. So it will be 1 root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2 and 1 by 2 and 0. Now here you want to find value of tan theta. So tan theta will be sine upon cos. So when we divide the 0 with 1, we get here 0. When we divide 1 upon root 2 with root 3 upon root 2, that is 1 upon root 3. And here 1 upon root 2 divided 1 upon root 2, we get here 1. Here we get root 3. Here we get, when we divide 1 with 0, we get here infinity. Now the value of cosec theta, just converse of or reciprocal of sine, that will be 1 upon 0 upon 1. We can write here 1 upon 0, that will be infinity. This will be 2 upon 1, that is 2. Here is root 2. Here is 2 upon root 3. And here is 1 upon 1 is 1. Now same here, put these values in for sec theta, from opposite side, this will be 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2 and infinity. For cot theta, just write opposite values of tan theta. This will be infinity, root 3, 1 upon root 3 and 0. So, the chart is ready for you. Is that it easy? Now, we have some more formulas. First we have to know sine is opposite of cosec 1 upon cosec theta. So we can write here cosec theta equals 1 upon sine theta, and we can say here sine theta into cosec theta equals 1. For cos theta, it's 1 upon sec theta, or we can say sec theta equals 1 upon cos theta. Or we can say here cos theta into sec theta equal 1. And for tan theta, it's 1 upon cot theta. And cot theta equals 1 upon tan theta. And tan theta into cot theta equals 1. Now for tan theta, this will be sine upon cos. Sine theta, when sine theta divided by cos theta, we get the value of tan theta. And similarly, for cot theta, this will be cos theta upon sine theta. Okay. Now we have three important identities. First one is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Another sec square theta equals 1 plus tan square theta. And the third one is cosec square theta equals 1 plus cot square theta. So using this formula, we can find more identities like sine square theta is when this will be sine square theta, value of sine square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, value of cos square theta will be 1 minus sine square theta. For sec, we have written here sec square theta equals 1 by tan square theta. Using this identity, we can write here tan square theta equals sec square theta minus 1. Here cosec square theta equals 1 plus cot square theta. Using this formula, we can write here cot square theta equals cosec square theta minus 1. So we can find other identities also with these formulas, these identities. Okay. So now we are learning how to find value with that chart. If we have figure like this and measure of this angle is 60 degree, measure of this angle is 60 degree, and we want the value of base is 10 meter, and we have to find the value of this thing, means height of perpendicular. So we have learned that formula. This side is our perpendicular, this is base, so perpendicular base it comes in tan theta. So tan theta equals perpendicular upon base. Now the value for this angle of theta equals 60 degrees. So tan 60 equals, for value of perpendicular is not given. So P upon base is our BC. Value of tan 60 is root 3 and perpendicular is not given, value of BC is 10. So we can multiply this number. So perpendicular will be 10 root 3 meter. Clear? So using these identities, we can find some things, some other formulas, and the height of perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse of a triangle, right angle triangle. Thank you.